Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Goldco. So let me take you to the website, which is goldco.com. For the ones who don't know what is Goldco, Goldco is a company that specializes in helping individuals invest in precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium for their retirement accounts. They offer services related to self-directed individual retirement accounts that allow investors to include precious metals as part of their retirement portfolio. The primary focus is to provide services within the United States. Let's say if you are interested in creating yourself a retirement plan or retirement investment, then you can come to their website and you can explore about them and probably create your own retirement account if you prefer. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Goldco. Can we do that? Of course we can. We can simply join the affiliate program of Goldco and start promoting them to our audience or the traffic. And when someone from our audience or traffic make the sales or the investment on Goldco platform through our efforts, you will get the commission out of it. But here's the thing, before you go further in this video, Goldco provide their services in United States. That means if you do not have traffic from United States, or if you don't have audience from United States, then this program unfortunately is not meant for you. So don't you worry. You could go to the playlist section of my channel and explore other affiliate programs that which are well suited for you. But if you have traffic from US or the audience from US, or if you plan to get traffic from United States of America, then you can continue watching this video. So let's talk about the affiliate program of Goldco. For that, on their homepage, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you can click on affiliate sign up in here. When you do that, it will take you to the Goldco affiliate program information page. Over here, they are giving introduction that you can read through. You can pause your video and read through for better understanding. And then there are affiliate program details as well if you scroll down. So here they're trying to say that it's 100% free, no cost to join. So you could join and it's free of course for you. And the payouts, so there's no limit to how much can you earn. But what about the commission rate? How much commission can you get from Goldco if you bring investment to them, the profit to them? So the commission rate as of now, it varies from affiliates to affiliates on Goldco affiliate program. It's anywhere between 3% to 10% commission rate, depending on how well affiliate you are and how well you're performing, or what's the size of your traffic or audience out there. So depending on that, you could get anywhere between 3% to 10% commission rate. And then you would also be able to get creative assets. Basically, these are links. And then they got a great payment schedule as well. And at any given point in time, if you want to reach out to them, you can click on contact us, and over there you'll see a phone number and a form that you can fill and you can reach out to them. So how do you create an account with Goldco? For that, you can simply click on affiliate application on the same page, and I'm going to mention the link to this page in the video description as well. You can click on the link and come to this page directly. So when you will click on affiliate application, it will take you to this page. Over here, you can read this. So it says Goldco helps customer protect and diversify their retirement savings through a precious metal IRA or direct purchase. And you can see you can read more for better understanding. But long story short, you have to fill this form, and it starts with the general information. So you can fill up all this information, and I will do that, do the same in this video so that I could explain every field. But before I do, here is a notice for you. So all the information that I'm going to fill in here are dummy because of educational purpose, but the information that you will fill in here, ensure it's accurate by the best of your knowledge. Because see, this is the application that you're making. So Goldco will review all the information that you have given. And if they find you well suited for them, that's when they will approve you. So ensure all the information you give are accurate to the best of your knowledge. So let's start with filling up the information. So you can start by mentioning your first name here and the last name in here, followed by the email address. So enter the email address that you have access to. So you can enter the email address, put in the email confirmation, the same email address in here. The phone number, it's optional. So if you want to give the phone number, you can, otherwise it's fine. Over here, you can select time zone. So in my case, I'm going to go with the time zone that we have for India, but in your case, you can go with your time zone. And then company information. So from legal entity type, you can click here and select the kind of business you have. So are you a corporation, a foreign entity, individual, LLC, LLP, or any of these organization? If yes, if you are this type of organization, you can select from here. But if you do not represent a company, but you are an individual, so you can just go with individual in here. And then you have to mention the name of your company, or if you have selected individual here, then it should be your name. So I'm just going to mention Sean Allen you here. In your case, you can mention either your company name or your name. Then comes the address. So you can provide your address. So whatever your address is, make sure it's accurate as well. So let me enter mine. Again, for the educational purpose, this information is dummy, but in your case, it should be accurate. Followed by the postal code in here. Now, you might have a zip code or you might have a postal code. So whatever that is, you can enter it here. Then you can click on country and select the country of your residence. For me, I'm just going to go with India. And then comes the region. So you can click here and you can select the region. So region is basically, it could be a state or it could be a province, depending on your country. Some call it a province and some call it state. So for me, I'm just going to go with my state and then additional information. So once you have filled those information, you can go with the additional information and first come from promotional methods. So let's say here, you can tick mark here to have more information. So please check off all methods you will use. So you can click here and what method will you use to promote Goldco? So let's say if you plan to promote them through SEO, that means you might have a website or blog. If that's the case, then you can go with SEO. But if you plan to promote them through social media and video content, you could select even multiple as well. So in my case, let's say I want to promote them through SEO. I can select SEO, social media, and videos. So when you do that, selection will be here. Then you can go to the next question, which is what website URL will you use? List the website link that you will be driving traffic to or from. If you're creating a bridge page or have your own website, especially if it's SEO, please list it. If you're using social media, we need your social media profile. If you're driving traffic directly to Goldco, please indicate Goldco lenders. So basically, if you got a website or blog, just mention the address in here. But if you don't have a website or blog and if you plan to promote them on social media page, it could be a Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube channel. So just put the URL for that in here. What if you plan to promote them directly, probably through some other messaging way for which you do not have a landing page or a specific account on any social media page? For that, you can simply mention this term, which is Goldco lenders in here. But for my case, I'm just going to mention this test website I got. Then the next question, we only accept US traffic. As I mentioned earlier in the video, that if you have US traffic, that means if you have people coming to your online presence through US, then this program is meant for you. So do you understand that we only accept US traffic? You just have, if you understand, just type in yes. If you know, then just type in no. So, okay, well, it was easy to understand. So just type in yes. Then the next question, you will need a VPN if outside of US. So if you're from outside of the United States of America, you might have to use the VPN to connect or to get your tracking links, which would be important to promote Goldco after getting the approval. So you can click here. And if you don't know what is VPN, just select what is VPN. But if you know what is VPN, you can go with, yes, I have a VPN or I'm in US. And if you don't know about VPN, you might want to research a bit. It's very easy to understand. It will allow you to change your location virtually. So it will stop restrictions from some website. Then the next question, monthly SEO traffic. So you can click here, it will give you the information. Otherwise, you can also read from the placeholder text. So it says, if promoting via SEO, how many unique monthly visitors does your site get now? So you could write your unique monthly visitors, something like this. Let's say I'm getting over 5,000 unique visitors monthly. Then I can write here, in your case, whatever your visitor count is, you can write that in here. What if you're creating videos on YouTube? And so probably you could write your YouTube views every month through SEO, or if you have blog, then again, you could write unique visitors. Then how many followers you got? If promoting via social media, how many total followers you got? So you can write your followers count. Let's say I got 2,000 plus. So I can write 2,000 plus. In that case, if you do have like Facebook, enter your followers count. But if you have YouTube channel, enter your subscribers count in here. Then the next question, email list size. Some affiliates do email marketing. That means check out the email addresses of different consumers out there. So for email marketing, the number of email address that you have matters a lot. So here they're asking the same. If you do email marketing, then you can mention the number of consumer email addresses you have. Probably you can write here 10,000 email, or rather consumer email addresses. So this will give them an idea that, okay, you have considerable, but whatever you write, ensure it's accurate, because in affiliate marketing, transparency and integrity matters. Then comes email sending domain. Now, what exactly it is? And here's the thing. What if you don't do email marketing? Just keep it blank, because look at here. It's not like it's an optional field. Only with this red asterisk sign, these fields are not optional. So if you don't do email marketing, you can keep it blank. But since we never know, some of you might be doing email marketing. That's why I'm trying to cover that in the video. So the next question, email sending domains. If promoting via an email list, what are the sending domains you will be using? Please list all. Now, what is domain? Let's take an example. You get a website called whiteandblue.com. So that means you'll be sending email probably from hello@whiteandblue.com. So whatever comes after @ is your domain. So whatever email account, the email address you'll be using, whatever the email address domain of it, that means whiteandblue.com in this example, you have to write in here. So this way, Goldco team would know that which domain are you using to send emails to the people out there. That's very important, so don't mess on it if you're doing email marketing. Then comes which is required. What are your demographics? What are the demographics of your traffic and followers? Like they want to know the age, gender, income, hobbies, or interests, whatever you have. It's not like they need all that. Whatever demographics you have for your traffic or audience, you can mention it here. Something like this. So let's say that this is just an example, but not accurate for me as well, but just to give you some context. So I've written here, I have 50% traffic from US, 30% from UK, 10% from Canada, and the rest is divided between all other countries. So you could write something like this, but with accurate numbers. Then you can write about the age group of your traffic or audience, their interests. It will kind of give perspective to Goldco whether to consider you into the affiliate program or not. Then the next question, do you agree to follow all the rules? So you can click here for more information. And then if you agree, just click here and go with yes. Then affiliate experience. So how much money have you made as an affiliate? So you can click here and you can select from any of these. And don't worry, it's whatever accurate, go with it. Then how did you hear about our program? Be specific. They're very serious about it. See, we need the URL, actual link, person, company URL to the video, etc. that refer to. Important, your application will not be processed without the information. Please be explicit. So let's say if you're hearing about Goldco the first time from my video, you could probably put a link of my video in this specific field. You can just mention that you have watched the video on YouTube, and here's the link for the video which led you to their affiliate program page, and hence you're filling the form. But if you have heard from somewhere else, so you could, from wherever you have heard, you can basically give the information in here. And it's just a matter of writing something, but whatever you write, ensure it's accurate. The next question, have you run gold, silver offers before? Have you run gold, silver offer before? If so, which companies? What they mean here is, have you ever promoted any brand who are involved in gold or silver? If yes, then you can write yes here and write about it. If no, then just simply mention no. That's it. Then previous Goldco affiliate ID. Do you have an account with them already? If so, what was your affiliate ID? 6-digit code you can write. Otherwise, you can just keep it blank since it's optional. So you can just keep it as it is. And then just for fun, interests or hobbies. What are some interests and hobbies that you enjoy? We love getting to know our affiliates and are always interested in stuff other than work. So here you can talk about you, like, what are your interests, your hobbies, and all those information. It kind of, it's always better for brands to know their affiliates. So you can just write, in my case, I'm going to write them information. In your case, you can actually write your interests or hobbies. Then comes the terms and condition. Ensure you read the terms and condition carefully, because this way you know what is allowed and what is not allowed. And once you've read it, you can scroll to the bottom to read all the points. And once you've read it, you can click on this box. That is checking this box to certify that you accept and agree to follow the terms and conditions. And after checking it, you can click on apply button. When you do, whatever information that you have entered here would go to the team of Goldco, and you will get this message. Thank you for applying to Goldco affiliate program. Please allow up to 5 business days for the affiliate team to review your application. Should you have any question in the meantime, please email this email address. So give them around 5 business days, because whatever information you have given, they will see whether you could fit for them or not, and then they will give you the approval. And but if you have waited enough, or if you have any question, you can always write an email to them at this email address. And now what? Now you can go to your email account. You can log into your email account. You must have received an email from Goldco team as of now as well. So this is my email account. I can refresh it. In your case, whatever email, that email address that you have provided, you can log into the email account and you can click on the email that you must have received from them. And over there, you will see a link. So you can click on the link. It's kind of confirms your email address that, okay, you're kind of a verified user for them. So this is a message you will see. Your email has been successfully verified. Please note that you will receive a confirmation once your application has been reviewed. You will receive another email from Goldco team like this. It will say exactly the same, and it will say to reach out to them if you have any question. But it's better to wait for them for 5 business days to see what they decide for you. Now, let's say you got the approval. How would you know? So as I say, you'll receive an email from them. The email should have your the link to the login page, the username and the password using which you will be able to log in, and you would be able to access your affiliate account, and you can even get your tracking link and start promoting them. Now, the question is, where can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One of the best ways is you can promote them on website. No matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from Goldco, you can place advertisement anywhere on your website. The other way is blog. Probably you can write a blog post about Goldco and put a tracking link of yours at the end of the blog post. So this way, when someone would click on it and do the investment on Goldco, you'll get a commission. The second best way is social media. No matter whatever kind of social media account you got, be it a Facebook account, a Instagram account, Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn, whatever kind of social media account, you could promote them over there as well. You could write posts. But what if you decide to promote them on social media? Ensure you read the terms and conditions. They seem fine with you promoting them on social media, but you have to strictly follow the guidelines from the terms and condition. So ensure you follow that. And then the third way, or rather the fourth way here, which is financial website. Now, if you have a financial website, or if you plan to have a financial website, then you could promote them on those websites, because people use financial website to get financial advisement, isn't it? And if you are advising them about retirement plan, or something to do as an investment for retirement, then I think you'll get better audience from there. So these are the ways that you can promote them. But whatever you promote, ensure you have gotten the approval from Goldco for that. That means you must have given those information, website blog information, while filling up the form. So let's say you started promoting them. Where can you see your performance? So when you will have an access to the account, you should also be able to see your performance over there. Then how about the payment of it? How will you receive the payment? You will receive the payment on the 15th of the every month via PayPal, through Goldco for all the commissions that you've earned. So this is how you can find the affiliate program of Goldco, apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.